Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how to change Kali Linux root user login permissions, or you can simply say that the how to lock and unlock the root user in Kali Linux operating system. So for that, first of all, I would like to change my root user login credentials. You can see here on my terminal that I have currently changed my root user password. And now I'm going to lock my root user using the single line of command, that is sudo passwd -l and my root user. So when I execute this command in my terminal, the Linux operating system will completely disable my root user login permission. I'm going to my login screen and trying to log in with my root user. So here you can see that the operating system is not allowing me to enter in this system. I am going to the back on my Kali user and again enabling the root login permissions using another single line of command, that is sudo passwd -u root. The U indicate for the unlock. And again going back to my login screen and trying to log in with the root permissions. Here you can see that I am able to log in with my root user. The Linux operating system allowed me to enter within the system with my root user login credentials. So I hope this video would be helpful to you. So if you like this video, be connected with me. Soon we will be meet another interesting video. Till then, be happy and keep learning. Thank you.